Okay, so here is my awesome circuit, the PVST President is the red one, and then we have Vice President, and then we have Secretary is the yellow one, and Treasurer is the black one, and then our LED. This is Annabelle Land. And then, my name's Annabelle Land, that's me, not the board. So, you can see, so if I have one, right now I have one present and three, the other guys are all off, so the light's off. But, if I just put one person on, then the light is on. Now, so that was our VP, so now what if only our secretary votes yes? There we go, it's on. Now only our treasurer votes yes, okay. And our president, obviously. And if we have a combination of two, you know, see, it doesn't matter. And again, all of these, the president is on. The only time the thing's going to turn off is when all three of them are off. Let's see, the president came on at that time, so if we plug him in more. Oh, and then gotta plug these guys back. There you go. See? Now it's on. I see the plug on. And now, what happens if we take out our president? Oh no, it's the end of the world. Nothing can save them now, and the light will always be off. Not technically, because if you put all three in, then bang, magic, light comes back on. Alright, bye.